Discussions that were conducted by Satyam sir and other colleagues of him were very fruitful.
I have been fortunate enough to have the mentorship and guidance of Satyam Jain sir.
Video is to thank Satyam Jain sir for all the support that he has provided.
And everything that I owe to Satyam sir and Understand UPSC channel.
I want to convey my sincere thanks to Satyam Jain sir,
Channel.
Understand UPSC and Satyam Jain sir.
My association with Satyam sir has been since the beginning of the preparations for May 2023.
Sent by Satyam Jain sir.
I have been associated with Satyam Jain sir's interview guidance program. His deep, insightful analysis regarding the interview process helped me to improve my score from 160 to 193 marks. I again thank Satyam Jain sir for his selfless dedication towards the UPSC aspirant community.
मैं अपनी मेंस प्रिपरेशन के दौरान एसएफजी ग्रुप से जुड़ा हुआ था, जिसमें सत्यम सर के द्वारा जो 3 महीने की स्ट्रेटजी बताई गई थी, उसकी वजह से मैं अपना सिलेबस टाइमली कंप्लीट कर सका और रिवाइज कर सका। इसके साथ में सर ने जो फ्लैश सेशन चलाए थे आंसर राइटिंग के लिए, उनका भी मुझे एक्चुअल एग्जाम में काफ़ी फ़ायदा हुआ था। मैं अपनी इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन के दौरान भी सत्यम सर के साथ जुड़ा था और उनके साथ जो मैंने डेप्थ डिस्कशंस किया था और मॉक इंटरव्यू किया था, उससे मुझे काफ़ी वैल्यूएबल इनपुट्स मिले थे और इवन कुछ क्वेश्चंस एक्चुअल इंटरव्यू में भी रिपीट हुए थे। ओवरऑल आई एम हाईली थैंकफुल टू सत्यम सर एंड अंडरस्टैंड यूपीएससी।
This video is to thank Satyam Jain sir for all the support that he has provided over the last 2 years that I have known sir directly. I was part of the special focus group. 2 years I have written mains and I've been able to qualify mains both these years, and sir has had a major role to play in that. I have gained immensely from all the support that sir has provided via his Understand UPSC channel. I was part of his GS discussions, of the flash answer writing sessions. I've tried not to miss any of the newspaper sessions that sir conducted for the personality tests. I was part of the mock interviews that sir conducted for the fellow aspirants. And all of this has played a major role in my selection. And I wish to extend my deepest gratitude to sir and the entire Understand UPSC team.
I want to convey my sincere thanks to Satyam Jain sir. He did incredible thing by creating SFG group and he guided so many aspirants including me both in mains and interview preparation. He is also guiding many aspirants even for prelims. Thank you sir for your great work, for your selfless service.
If at all, if I have to summarize everything, and then all I can say is just a big thank you for all of you, sir, all your support, sir. I am really grateful for the invaluable guidance and mentorship you have provided throughout the journey. I could see genuinely how much you cared for the success of every single student of yours. Thank you once again, sir, for being such an exceptional mentor. And apart from the mentorship, if there is one another thing I would like to mention, then it would be the selfless service you have been doing to the community, sir. Just the idea that a person is helping so much without anything in expectation, despite himself like facing such huge time crunch and syllabus burden, is really very inspiring, sir, honestly.
I'm making this video to convey my heartfelt thanks to Satyam sir and Understand UPSC. मेरा एसोसिएशन सत्यम सर के साथ प्रीलिम्स के बाद स्टार्ट हुआ थ्रू द एसएफजी ग्रुप विद सर हैज मेड। स्टार्टिंग में मुझे मेंस का कोई आइडिया नहीं था, लाइक हाउ टू राइट आंसर्स एंड यू नो हाउ टू यूज द कंटेंट दैट आई हैव इन माय आंसर्स एंड लाइक बिल्ड द क्वालिटी ऑफ माय कंटेंट। It is through sir's help and the daily discussion sessions that sir had conducted in our group. It is through these sessions that I learned how to use the content that I had in my answers and I can like how to write better answers.
सत्यम सर के ग्रुप अंडरस्टैंड यूपीएससी में मेंस के टाइम पे ऐड हुआ हूँ एंड ड्यूरिंग मेंस एज इट इज़ माय फर्स्ट मेंस, सो आई वाज रियली न्यू हाउ टू स्टडी एंड व्हाट मटेरियल शुड बी फॉलोड। तो उसमें शुरुआत में उन्होंने काफ़ी मटेरियल्स डाले कि कौन सा जीएस कहाँ से पढ़ना है, एक शेड्यूल बना के दिया। ऑल्दो शेड्यूल मैं अपने हिसाब से फॉलो कर रहा था, लेकिन रिसोर्सेज मैंने हैविली फॉलो किया है, लाइक जो भी उन्होंने रिकमेंड किया, खासकर एथिक्स एंड GS2 में। फिर मेंस के टाइम पे वो काफ़ी सेशंस भी लेते थे, जैसे मेंस 365 के और भी चीज़ों के, तो उसमें कई बार पॉइंटर्स मिल जाते थे। तो जब भी मुझे टाइम मिलता था मैं उन सेशंस को रिकॉर्डेड फॉर्म में 2x पे देख लिया करता था। एंड आफ्टर मेंस उन्होंने एक इंटरव्यू गाइडेंस के लिए भी ग्रुप बनाया था, SFG फोकस था, एंड उसमें 700 के आसपास लोग थे एंड उसमें भी वो कई बार सेशंस लेते थे।
And this is a special video to extend my thanks, my gratitude and everything that I owe to Satyam sir and Understand UPSC channel in whatever little success I have had in this year's examination results. I was completely clueless, but they helped us start the preparation. The way they made us write PYQs each and every day. That was, I think, the foundation bricks on which our confidence as a community was built. It was not in a single day, I can truly say, but it was Sir's continuous efforts, his sessions, current affairs session, GS session, answer writing sessions, copy analysis sessions. I still couldn't believe that he was also writing exam with us, and how one could do so much hard work and how one could pack so much into his schedule in one single day. I still remember I wasn't able to write 8 complete answers on my first day. They were like completely rubbish answers, but right from there I just kept following his advice, whatever he said, how to prepare GS1, GS2, how to go about your optional, and the amount of efforts that he was putting in. I still remember those rapid answer writing sessions flash answer writing sessions wherein we would just sit and try to write those answers in 8 minutes and 11 minutes time, and it was just exceptional. I could say that it was just exceptional. Simply my mains would have been impossible without Satyam Jain sir. Not impossible because of the fact that I would clear it or not, impossible just to the extent that I would go confidently and sit in that exam. I still remember one day before the mains, when the mains started, Satyam Jain sir posted a message saying that there are no helps, and today I can confidently say, yes sir, there are no helps when there is a leader who is guiding us, when there is a mentor like you, when there is a person like you who is guiding us. There are simply no helps, there are simply no challenges. 4 or 5 sessions that had taken place, I watched all of them and I made notes out of it, and one thing that I could see his constant advice was prepare your DAF, cover current affairs holistically in an in-depth manner. It's not like the way you prepare it for prelims or mains. It is about view formation, it is about perspective formation, it is about going through your DAF again and again and thinking what questions could there be. I remember after my first mock, I messaged Satyam sir that my performance was not at all optimal. I was fumbling, I was not at all prepared on my DAF, and I promised him that for next 30, 35 days, 40 days, whatever time I had in my hand, I am just going to stick to my DAF, I'm just going to stick to the current affairs. Until the last day, till one day before the interview, I was following his current affairs session, his mock interview session. And I can just say one thing, sir, UPSC is pretty small, pretty insignificant thing in what you have taught us as a community. It's the value you embody, the hard work, the integrity, the honesty, and the perseverance, sir. I don't think one result could make a difference between anyone, for that matter, simply because the values that you have taught us as a community, the special focus group that was there for mains and for interview. I think each and every one of us, maybe we clear the exam, maybe we don't, maybe we'll end up with a good rank, maybe we don't. But all of us are going to carry forward these personality traits, sir. I don't know where I'll end up in life, but wherever it is, and even for the next attempt, because I'll be appearing even for the next attempt, I can confidently say that Satyam sir is the one who knows in and out of the examination, who knows how to approach this examination, who knows what the demand is.
Before prelims, I mostly prepared through self-study, and I got the opportunity to be associated with Understand UPSC after my prelims result. The phase between prelims and mains was very crucial, and Understand UPSC immensely helped me in that phase of mine. The discussions that were conducted by Satyam sir and other colleagues of him were very fruitful and unique in the sense that those were actually conducted by the people who were recently the aspirants only. And it was quite a unique experience and a unique approach towards this examination, and especially the mains writing, which is one of the most trickiest part, I would say. And this being my first attempt, it immensely helped me to shape my answers and to bring whatever knowledge I have on the paper, because putting that on paper is ultimately a different ballgame together. So the experienced faculty and the immense help that was provided by the sessions were quite helpful for me for my mains preparation. And a special shout out to Satyam sir, or Bhai, whatever we may call him. Like, he's the most empathetic personality that I've met in my entire life till now, and which can be easily manifested by the fact that he personally took 1-to-1 DAF sessions for more than 350 candidates within a span of 4 to 5 days, and that being despite of the fact that he also had the interview and the DAF to be filled in that time, and he also the mock interviews that were conducted by him, as well as the discussions, the 1-to-1 discussions that were conducted by him, were quite fruitful for the aspirants and personally for me as well. And that too, despite him also being one of the candidates. That is like something unimaginable and very much selfless, I would say.
स्पेशली सत्यम जैन सर का धन्यवाद करने के लिए बना रहा हूँ। जैसा आप सभी को पता है कि इस यूपीएससी की जर्नी में हमें नोट्स एवं रिसोर्सेज की कभी कमी नहीं होती, बट एक ऐसी मेंटर की कमी हमेशा खलती है जो हमें सही दिशा दिखाए। मैं अपनी बात करूं तो इंटरव्यू के समय, क्योंकि ये मेरा पहला अटेम्प्ट था, तो मुझे बिल्कुल जानकारी ही नहीं थी कि हमें अपना डैफ कैसे भरना चाहिए, सही उत्तर एवं सही पर्सनैलिटी को कैसे डेवलप करें। तभी मैं सत्यम सर से जुड़ा, उनके ग्रुप को ज्वाइन किया। उन्होंने मेरा डैफ एनालिसिस किया, क्या गलतियां हो रही है ये बताया, क्या सुधार करने चाहिए ये भी बताया। उन्होंने डेली सेशन डाले जिससे मुझे काफी मदद मिली। इस बार मेरे इंटरव्यू में 204 नंबर है, जिसमें एक काफी बड़ा श्रेय सत्यम सर का भी है।
Thank you, Satyam Jain sir, and Understand UPSC for helping me clear this year's paper. I have been associated with sir from last year when I joined his mains answer writing group, SFG group. In that group, we used to have flash answer writing. We used to have target-based discussions and enrichment of the content by discussion on online platforms or Zoom calls. At the same time, sir also gave short targets in terms of full length and mini mocks for us to increase our speed while writing the mains answer, and also focusing on the PYQs to identify the themes that UPSC is repeating. After clearing my mains, I was continuingly associated with sir for my interview guidance program, where he took online one-on-one mock interviews, and also the newspaper discussion group, where every night he used to discuss the main articles which can be used during our interview. So thank you sir for guiding me and helping me to clear this year's paper.
This was my 4th attempt. मैंने पहले भी 3 अटेम्प्ट दिए थे। मैंने तीनों बार मेंस लिखा, बट मेरा मेंस क्लियर नहीं हो रहा था। इस बार SFG ग्रुप में मैं जुड़ा सत्यम सर के साथ, एंड वैसे तो मैंने कोचिंग्स इस बार डेली आंसर राइटिंग के लिए भी एक ज्वाइन की थी, बट व्हाट आई रियलाइज कि किस तरीके से एग्ज़ाम के क्वेश्चंस को अटेम्प्ट करना है, मैंने असली में इस ग्रुप के थ्रू ही सीखा। पीयर लर्निंग भी, और जो सर ने एक प्रैक्टिसेस करवाए मेंस के टाइम पे। प्री के टाइम पे मैं बहुत एक्टिव नहीं था ग्रुप पे, क्योंकि प्री मेरा पहले भी 3 बार निकला था 3 अटेम्प्ट्स में, बट मैंने ये रियलाइज़ किया कि मेंस में कुछ ऐसी मिस्टेक्स हो रही थी, चाहे आंसर राइटिंग में या रेगुलर ना लिख पाने की वजह से होगा, बट समथिंग वॉज नॉट क्लिकिंग प्रॉपरली। तो जब सत्यम के सर के साथ मैं जुड़ा और रेगुलर मैंने आंसर राइटिंग स्टार्ट की, मैं लिख रहा था, पहले भी लिखता था, बट PYQs को किस तरीके से अटेंड करना है और हम कहाँ गलती कर देते हैं। जैसे मुझे स्पेशली एक क्वेश्चन याद आता है कि एक वाइसरॉय को लेके कहते हैं कि वो फाउंडर ऑफ मॉडर्न इंडिया, बट उसका टोन क्या है और उसका आंसर कैसे होना चाहिए, वो शायद मुझे SFG में सत्यम सर ने जब समझाया तो मुझे आंसर्स को लेके एक नया पर्सपेक्टिव डेवलप हुआ। तो मेंस में सर की हेल्प से मैंने क्लियर किया, और रेगुलर आंसर्स लिखने का मैं ट्राई करता था, दूसरों के आंसर्स देखता था, जिससे काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला। इससे मेरा मेंस GS स्पेशली मेरा इंप्रूव हुआ। एसए में भी हमने कुछ ऐसे थे जो साथ में लिखे थे, कुछ लोगों को मैंने भेजा भी अपने ऐसे कि आप देखिए मैं आपका देखता हूँ, तो उससे भी कई बार आपको नए पॉइंट्स सीखने को मिलते हैं। तो ये चीज़ें मेरे साथ हुई SFG में जुड़ने की वजह से। तो इसके लिए मैं सत्यम सर को बहुत बहुत थैंक यू बोलूँगा कि उन्होंने इतना सेल्फलेस एक्ट, मतलब शायद हम सोच भी नहीं सकते कि कोई व्यक्ति जो एग्ज़ाम के दौरान हो वो अपने से ज़्यादा ऊपर अपने पीयर्स को रखते हुए उनको पढ़ा भी रहा है और लगा भी हुआ है। तो मैं जनरली बिल्कुल बॉटम ऑफ माई हार्ट थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगा सर को।
कि जो टेलीग्राम ग्रुप है वहाँ पर मैं मेंबर थी। और सर ये वीडियो में आपका किस तरीके से गाइडेंस मुझे काम आया वो इसके बारे में बताने के लिए है। सबसे पहले तो मेंस में जब मैं ग्रुप में आपने ऐड हुई थी तब आप जो डेली क्वेश्चंस पोस्ट करते थे उस पर मैं आंसर लिखा करती थी और पोस्ट करती थी। इसके अलावा आपने जो एक कम्युनिटी बनाई थी वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा मुझे अच्छी लगी, क्योंकि वहाँ पर सभी कैंडिडेट अपने अपने आंसर पोस्ट करते थे, तो मैं भी उनके साथ कंपेयर करके अपना परफॉर्मेंस इवेल्युएट करती थी। इसके अलावा सर स्पेशली मैं आपको इसलिए शुक्रिया करना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि ऐसे में काफ़ी ज़्यादा मदद मिली मुझे आपसे। जब आप ऐसे के डिस्कशंस कराते थे, जब हम ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग करते थे, तब उतने सारे डायमेंशंस ओपन नहीं कर पाते, लेकिन आपने जिस तरीके से हमने मेथड बताई थी कि किस तरीके से आप इसे को ओपन कर सकते हैं, वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा मुझे काम आया। इसके अलावा सर आपका जो इंटरव्यू के दौरान जो सेशंस हुए थे मेंटर, स्पेशली मेंटरिंग के अलाउ रिगार्डिंग, वो भी मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे लगे थे, क्योंकि मैं गुजरात में ही रहकर प्रिपरेशन कर रही थी, दिल्ली नहीं गई थी, इसलिए मुझे इतना ज़्यादा अनुभव नहीं था और ये मेरा फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू था। तो आपने जिस तरीके से रियलिटी चेक बताया था वो भी मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेल्प करा। इसके अलावा डेफ के जो हमारे डिस्कशंस होते थे उसमें भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा मदद मिली थी मुझे, क्योंकि मैंने कभी इस तरीके से फॉर्म फिलअप नहीं किया था, तो उसमें भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा आपका सपोर्ट मिला था। इसके अलावा सर आप जब भी कोई फ्री डिस्कशंस करते थे कि कैसे।
I am Katyayani Singh. I have secured All India Rank 592 in this year's UPSC Civil Service exam. I am making this video to express my heartfelt gratitude to Satyam Jain sir for his immense contribution in my UPSC journey. I had known sir since 3 years now, and at all the stages of UPSC, he has helped immensely. For the prelim stage, he helped with the PYQ analysis. At the main stage, he helped with the flash answer writing sessions and the current affairs sessions that helped me to write good answers at the mains examination. At personality test, he used to conduct newspaper sessions which were very effective in tackling the current affair questions that were asked in the main UPSC interview. Big thanks to Satyam Jain sir for all the support he has provided till date, and wish you all the best to Satyam Jain sir and the Understand UPSC team.
This was my first attempt, and through this video I want to thank Satyam Jain sir for his constant guidance and mentorship. सत्यम जैन सर के चैनल के बारे में मुझे मेरी मेंस प्रिपरेशन के दौरान पता चला था। उसके बाद से सर का कांस्टेंट गाइडेंस रही है एंड स्पेशली जो मेंस आंसर राइटिंग पार्ट था वो उसके लिए मैंने कोई एकेडमी ज्वाइन नहीं की, मैंने कोई मेंस टेस्ट सीरीज भी ज्वाइन नहीं की थी। उसमें सर के जो SFG ग्रुप में डेली टारगेट्स आते थे और सर उसके बाद सर जो उनको पर्सनली चेक करते थे, आंसर्स को इंप्रूवमेंट के लिए एरियाज बताते थे। दैट हैज़ हेल्प मी अ लॉट एंड स्पेशली ऐसे पार्ट के लिए मैंने ऐसे पार्ट का जो भी प्रैक्टिस थी वो सर के साथ ही की है। उसके अलावा एक चीज़ और है, मॉक इंटरव्यू के टाइम पे सर ने जब इंटरव्यू दिया था उन्होंने मुझसे कहा था कि इनफैक्ट ये कह सकते हैं कि उन्होंने भविष्यवाणी की थी कि मुझे 180+ मार्क्स मिल जाएंगे इंटरव्यू में, जो कि सही हुई। आई गॉट 182 मार्क्स। सो थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर being our motivation, our mentor.
I should thank Satyam Jain sir for his wonderful guidance during mains preparation. I already had given 2 mains before this attempt, but during that time I tried to give some mock tests. During those time, I think the feedback which I got from the mock tests were a little bit demotivating, but the marks which I got, in the real examination were contradictory to the suggestions, the words that the mock tests were giving. So I thought of not attempting any mocks during my third mains. At the same time, I came across Satyam Jain sir, and in the process, I think especially the flash answer writing which he tried to give to students in his group SFG, I think it helped me to reduce the resistance or friction of writing answers, especially the ethics answers. And also he helped in giving me the crux of mains answer writing, what should be written and how should every parts of a question must be addressed. So I think I owe a lot to Satyam Jain sir for his wonderful guidance in the mains.
I have been fortunate enough to have the mentorship and guidance of Satyam Jain sir, through which I was associated with special focus group mains as well as the special focus group of personality test, where we used to have the rigorous revision sessions of each GS papers of mains in just 2 hours. That has helped me to fetch such good marks that I have scored in GS2, that is 121. All the credit to you Satyam Jain sir for those revisions, those case studies, those examples that you have helped us in understanding them.
मैं सत्यम सर से 2022 जून से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ, जो कि 2023 प्रीलिम्स के 1 साल पहले से मैं उनके साथ हूँ और मैं उनके कोर SFG ग्रुप का मेंबर था और मेरी सारी प्रिपरेशन सत्यम सर के गाइडेंस के अंदर हुई है। और इसमें जो फर्स्ट 6 मंथ थे उसमें सत्यम सर ने आंसर राइटिंग करना सिखाया। नेक्स्ट 6 मंथ उसमें प्रीलिम्स की तैयारी करवाई और प्रीलिम्स की तैयारी इतनी इंटेंसिव थी और इतनी मल्टीलेयर्ड थी जिसकी वजह से मैं फॉरेस्ट का भी कट क्लियर कर पाया। एंड आई हैव बीन द पर्सन हु हैज स्ट्रगल विद क्लियरिंग प्रीलिम्स एट मल्टीपल टाइम्स। सो ये मेरे लिए बहुत बून थी सर के गाइडेंस में रहना। और प्रीलिम्स से मेन स्टेज के बीच में सर ने फिर से आंसर राइटिंग करवाई जो एग्जाम की क्वालिटी एज वेल एज स्पीड पे फोकस कर रही थी। हमें फ्लैश आंसर राइटिंग सेशन करवाया गया एज वेल एज क्वेश्चन की डिमांड मीट करने के लिए सत्यम सर ने ऑनलाइन मीट्स लेने के बताया। मेंस के रिजल्ट के बाद सर ने मैराथन डैफ सेशन दिए जिसमें सर ने डैफ की इंपॉर्टेंस को समझाया और सबके साथ एक बच्चे को बैठा के उन्होंने डैफ फिल अप कराया, जो कि काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है। आपके इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस डैफ से पिक किए जाते हैं, तो डैफ फिल करना, सही से फिल होना काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है। डैफ सेशन के बाद सर ने 1-to-1 इंटरव्यू सेशन कराए जिनके शेड्यूल्स के अकॉर्डिंग। और उसके बाद मैं इन द एंड ये फील करता हूँ कि सत्यम सर को यूपीएससी जर्नी के बारे में फ्रॉम इनसाइड आउट, फ्रॉम प्रीलिम स्टेज टू इंटरव्यू स्टेज सारा आइडिया है और उनके गाइडेंस की वजह से मैं लिस्ट में आ पाया हूँ। सो माई हार्टफेल्ट ग्रेटिट्यूड टुवर्ड्स सत्यम सर। Thank you.
My association with Understand UPSC has been started from my mains journey itself, and I have been benefited from the essay course, the essay sessions taken by Satyam Jain sir in the beginning, where I could still remember the first essay that is being dealt, that is the wise man and the romantic man. That helped me inculcate the different ideas and the dimensions that can be included in the essay sent by Satyam Jain sir in the group just before the mains in the month of August. Really calmed my nerves, and that was a major turnout for me then. So I would be always helpful to Understand UPSC and the association.
Last year, I was part of Satyam Jain sir Understand UPSC group. His regular current affairs session, mains answer writing program, immensely helped me during my mains phase. After mains, he also played a very important role in depth discussion as well as mock interview sessions. So I would like to personally thank Satyam Jain sir for being such a good mentor and a good brother during my UPSC journey.
And I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Understand UPSC and Satyam Jain sir for really being a mentor in this journey for me. Especially the special focus group for mains helped me stay connected because I was someone who was preparing from home. And due to various personal setbacks that I saw in my family, due to demise of very loved ones, including my own mother, I didn't have the option to move to Delhi. In that regard, having a community that kept me connected to the exam through special focus group for mains really helped me. Especially also the essay sessions and the ethics sessions helped me gain perspective in answer writing, etc. So, and I must say that even sir's motivational video chats and audio chats on Telegram really helped me come back and work harder at my desk. Whenever there were a lot of low points in the journey for me, besides facing the hurdles of the intricacies of the exam, I had to keep my mental focus and emotional stamina high to study and absorb the material that I was reading. And in that regard, hearing to the positivity of Satyam sir really helped me.
This video is an acknowledgement of the efforts by Satyam sir in helping me reach my goal. My association with Satyam sir has been since the beginning of the preparations for mains 2023. Sir's contribution through mains answer writing practices, debunking various toppers' copies and understanding various approaches, the flash writing, as well as The simulation test that was conducted a week prior to the actual examination helped me immensely in understanding and gauging the true demand, the stressors and the pressures that I would be facing in those course of 5 days, since this was my first mains attempt. In addition to that, as about the interview preparation is concerned, the regular current affairs sessions that was conducted by the sir helped me in understanding the demand of the UPSC board from a candidate, and also the one-on-one session that was conducted between me and sir was very close to what I had experienced in the actual UPSC board in terms of the line of questioning as well as the cordiality of the board. So to this extent, I thank Satyam sir and the rest of the Understand UPSC team for helping me reach my goal.
Understand UPSC during the starting of 2023 exam cycle before prelims. It felt like this is a indication of higher beings that someone has come to really save me from my past failures and ensuring the success this time. So particularly the video of Satyam sir's live real-time solving of his 2022 prelims paper was really helpful at that time. It had immense impact on me that the way that I was solving the questions, the thought process that I was going through is right, because this 2023 attempt was a do or die situation for me. So I had to ensure that at every stage I am ensuring my qualification for this. And those mapping videos, those were also really helpful. And these two primary resources were instrumental, one of the key instrumental things that helped me to qualify prelims this time. Second comes the mains part. So at that time there were extensive classes of answer writing sessions, and then the mains 365 revision also. Sir was kind enough to remind me that I used to be there at all times, taking notes, attending classes. But really, honestly speaking, all our efforts were much less as compared to what Sir has contributed to our success. His efforts were just out of the world efforts, and that can be measured in any quantum. Ours were just to attend those and